Here is where is located the washing machine. Open this door and surprise, you have here some cleaning materials and the washing machine. It's actually a washer and a dryer. Open, put your clothes inside, close it. Like this, the machine is off. If you select a program, it will turn on automatically. Here are the drying programs, these ones. Choose the Suave means soft. This normal is regular. I would choose the soft one, the middle one. And here I would choose for washing mixed color program, so it's soft or delicate, one like this. Then you can select here the spinning. This is softer. The mixed, it's a little bit harder, but you can always change all of these here. You can make your own program. Then you choose it and then initiate here, and it will start automatically. When you're finished with it, put it back here, it will stop and finish, and then now it's locked, but when it's finished, just open the door and it will open. Take out your clothes and put it back here, and it's off. Oh, and don't forget, here goes the detergent and here the softener. Here goes detergent if you want to make a pre-wash. So maybe you will just use this and this. And that's it.